Another thing I wanted to show you, hopefully you can see this, it's not out of focus. Notice the gas tank is full. It was full last night when I filled up and parked here. I just filled up and then parked here at the Cracker Barrel. And the heat has been on ever since, so that is a good, geez, at least 12 hours or more of the heat on. Actually, more than that, because I probably got here at 3 p.m. and it's now just after 8 a.m. So whatever that is. And that heat's been on that whole time in the back, and I am still on full. Thank you, Embassy.